supplier onboarding platform. So as I was mentioning, we have this supplier onboarding solution, which has end-to-end business process for supplier all the way from onboarding to governance, as well as compliance, risk management, and data validation before sending it to SAP S/4HANA. There. So when the user logs in, of course, there are intuitive tutorials where your users don't have to worry about using the application and what features do we provide. The dashboard is the central point where we access the application and are presented with how many vendors are there in staging, how many vendors are being reviewed at this time, are there any risk associated with certain vendors, have there been any vendors which have been rejected, or there are approved vendors in SAP system. So this first dashboard, as you can see, provides what the bottom line is, the vendors, and we have them right in front of us. Of course, we can do our add-on task. Users can add tasks right in the application to add or update or see if they have to follow up on certain things. Next comes risk assessment. For example, do we have the risk defined, risk criteria defined? Have the vendor been segregated into various risk categories? And what risk levels are there that our management should focus on? Vendor segmentation is another area in the portal where we can segment the vendors based on their demographics, based on the business, based on the products, or your organization's internal business policies. Compliance is one of the most important area where we store documents such as tax, bank account details, address, and other information in a single pane of glass. Of course, vendor onboarding requires contracts to be signed where we have digital signatures integrated with DocuSign, Dropbox signature, or Microsoft signature, or even Adobe signature. And those digitally signed signatures, signed documents are stored in contracts and issues. Audit logs is finally, this is the final part of the onboarding product that we have, where we have all the audit trails and communication log. And as I just mentioned, this PO and invoices is an extension to the onboarding platform where this provides a self-service portal to the vendors to for them to be able to log on to their portal, open their purchase orders, and view their statuses and others. So in this menu, as you can see, we have vendor staging, which has been done so far, and all the statuses are mentioned here. And if there are any actions required, we can perform those actions right from the same dashboard. New vendor staging is not only just a simple data entry form, but is a user interface to what we call our backend validation engine, where the data which we are supplying over here is validated through our robust data validation and due diligence policies. Some projects require sub-vendors, so we have this covered here as well. We can create a sub-vendor here. And once we are onboarded with vendors, we can see them in real time from SAP S/4HANA system. Of course, we can customize the view. Currently, if we are reviewing the record view, we can view in the cards layout view. And we can customize it through various user interface elements, as I'll show you in the designer part. Risk assessment is also one of the critical aspects where we can define if any criteria has to be followed throughout the vendor registration process, such as here risk category, liquidity level. Or they might have a criteria like so-and-so revenue figure has been achieved during the past 5 years. Let's say $1 million revenue in the past 5 years has to be the requirement. New risk assessment criteria, we can define the new risk assessment criteria over here. And for the procurement guys, the screen that they love most is the vendor performance. When the vendors perform any certain project, they can record their progress and performance for them to be able to automatically either selected or deselected for the upcoming tenders. And vendor performance reports are also there, which we can develop and send to our management for them to review. Vendor segmentation is also one of the critical area where we can segment vendors based upon the risk and other criteria. We can define new vendor segmentation criteria based on demographics or any other criteria based upon the company policy. Governance is the built-in capability of our system where we provide 50 or 60 plus governance rules. So where we can define various rules over here to be able to perform validation against before sending them to SAP S/4HANA. So this is the part that auditors love most. They require all the compliance documentation, so we don't have to worry about physical or even digital sprawl of documents. It's all there in one portal. You don't have to search your C or D drive or any computers to find where the insurance certificates or financial statements were at the time when the vendor was registered. They can upload new compliance documents as well. Contracts, as I was mentioning, the eFlux vendor onboarding solution has the best part that it integrates with digital signature solutions such as DocuSign for real-time signatures and onboarding during and contract signing during the onboarding process. Audit is one of the crucial aspects where we can find various audit trails of which user has performed what action for the onboarding. The extended part of the solution is the supplier self-service part. That is, of course, if a customer requires a self-service portal as well, we can develop using the no-code platform very quickly, using the Swift platform where they can review their submitted quotations and the invoices and the purchase orders which they have received so far from the company. So this is all about the end solution that we have developed. And of course, based on the customer requirements,